guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And today I'm gonna share a really simple app, web app, that is basically a screen recorder that's built onto web and it's running on Vercel. And it's really no-brainer because there is just one button in the whole website. So let's just see the website, okay? So here is our student's website, that is Screen Rec. Yeah, that's it. And as you can see, there is just one drop down menu which will be for your like you to choose your video output format. You can choose from WebM and MP4, though WebM is preferred because while recording video, WebM provides the most efficient format, I think, in terms of audio and video. I think so, as long as I know from my previous knowledge. And you can choose MP4 as well, whatever you want. So I will be choosing WebM, and you will just click on recording. And after you click on recording, it will show you this Chrome tab where you can share entire screen with audio, window, and Chrome as well. Just click it and record it. That's it, nothing else. And whenever you're done, click on stop recording. So let's just record entire window right now with audio. Okay, as you can see, here is the window is appearing as well, and I can obviously go anywhere and do whatever I want to do right now, and it will be recording obviously. And then I can just click on stop, and then my video is prepared. I can download it from here you can see the download button. That's it, nothing else. I said, like I told you, this is totally no winner. Nothing really like hectic or nothing really absurd is here, like nothing complex. There is no complexity. Like I think that whoever is technically not sound, a little bit handicapped technically, you can give this recorder to them. They will be like easily able to create screen recordings for you with this, because they don't have to download a app for recording their screen or something. Like whoever is in your family who is not technically geek, give it to them. It will be helpful to them, and they will probably praise you for it. And that's it for this video, nothing else, because obviously too much simple app, too much simple like usability. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps, simple apps like this, please let me know about them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future video. So bye for now.